I'm recording. Sideways.
Alright, I'm turning the car on.
Man, no, wet shit went on me. What the fuck? Open my shit. What the fuck?
What? Oh, on the hose. You're so dirty. You got all dirty. That was a bad idea.
Thanks a lot. It's my only white shirt, man.
Where'd you get dirty at?
Arms. Look. You on your shirt. Get out! Come on, get the fuck out. Get the fuck out, stupid.
You know what?
That hurt so bad.
I didn't mean to, okay?
Hurry up or close your fucking face in.
You know what?
What?
I'm the one with the injured armpit right now. Him and his bitch kicks,
Come on,
man.
come on. Come on.
Stop being a
Come
bitch
on.
and kick.
Come on. Stop it!
You. Oh, that's right, he went away.
Stop! I'm sorry if I dirtied your shirt. I'll buy you a new one. Stop, man! Stop!
Give me a hug. Come on, come here.
Ow, my fucking arm!
Come here.
Okay, I didn't do it.
Are you still recording?
Mm-hmm.
Let's make love now. Okay, so.